Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wraparound single crochet edging that looks great on the front and the back. Now I came up with this edging just sort of playing around, but I'm sure, this being crochet, that I'm not the first person to do it. I have no idea if it's been done before or what it's been called. I'm calling it a wraparound single crochet edging because it wraps around the edge of the work. If you've seen it called something else before, let me know in the comments. Here I have just a random swatch with some normal single crochet on the edge, and you can see it looks really nice in the front, but not quite so nice from the back. So instead, let's make a wrapped around single crochet edging where the stitch wraps around the edge of the fabric so that it looks nice on both sides. You're going to start like you normally would for single crochet, join your yarn, chain one to get up to the height, and then you're going to work a single crochet. So just your normal single crochet. Now we're going to work a backward slip stitch. So instead of going in from the front to the back, we're going to go from the back to the front. And you see how that pulls the top of the stitch over the edge slightly? Then we're going to do a slip stitch to lock it in place. So I've inserted my needle or my hook from the back to the front. I'm going to yarn over and pull that through the stitch and the loop on my hook to do a slip stitch. And that's going to fold that over and hold it in place. But now my yarn's in the front and that's not where I want it to be. So I'm going to do a chain just to put everything back to the way it's supposed to be. Let's do another one. And you can do this in stitches, chain spaces, wherever you're sticking your hook, right? So we're going to do a single crochet like normal. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. There's your single crochet. Now a backward slip stitch. Go in from the back, grab the yarn, pull up a loop and pull it through the loop that was on your hook. Then you chain one. And that's all there is to it. It makes this nice little knot. I'm going to do a few more and then show you the back of the fabric. So single crochet, backward slip stitch, and chain one. Single crochet, backward slip stitch in the exact same spot, and chain one. Now I'll do one more and then we'll look at the back. So single crochet, backward slip stitch, and chain one. Now when I make that backward slip stitch, I find it helpful to hold the loop because things are getting twisty, right? So there's my single crochet. See how I'm holding that loop in place? I like to hold it there all the way through until I'm pulling the yarn through. That keeps it nice and open and easy to find. And then a chain one to finish. So let's take a look at the back. Here you can see this is obviously very different from this. This doesn't look as neat, and this does, right? But here we have that same knotted look with the tops of the stitches there and tops of stitches there, and it just looks a lot neater on both the back and the front, and very similar on both the back and the front. So that is a wraparound single crochet edging. You can do this with other stitches as well, but I'll save that for another video. Now you may notice that this edge is ruffling a bit. That's because these stitches are fatter than a normal single crochet. So if you're going to use this edging, unless you want that ruffling effect, you may want to place your stitches farther apart. Maybe skip a stitch in between every couple of stitches so that you get a nice even edge. And that's going to just take some playing around with it to see what spacing you need to make the edge nice and smooth. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.